Howdy folks, something a little bit different again. If you've watched my previous video on the AK's real interactive colours of World War II, this one is their second edition. It's real colours of World War II aircraft. So it's similar to the first book, but this is based on aircraft, not armour. This is aircraft colours. Let's take a look. You've greeted with a nice greeted front cover. It's a hardback book again. This is in English. It's the four nations that they are talking about: Americans, Russians, Germans and British. The back of the book is some colour prints of some aircraft. 109, Corsair, Spitfire and a Yak, I believe that is. Here you're greeted with the index on the first page. Here's your Germans, US, British and then Soviets. German colours in the Second World War. So we're talking about some flying boat colours. That's the original colours. They had silver, RML2, which is like a off browny grey colour. Some more colours they used. You will find you get some photos and you get some of the plane underneath, which should be the colour of that plane. Original colour cards again. Some of the information is translated in English for you if you can't speak the German language. These are the main bulk of the German Luftwaffe Air Force colours. So black and white photos and colour photos. Pretty cool. Splinter camouflage, and you've got the two colours there. So if you've got any colour that is basically on the same as the number, so it's RML 73 and RML 72, if you've got those colours, that's the original colours for the aircraft. Like I said before, AK with the armour, they did their colour range for armour colour. These are, I believe, enamel colours. And then obviously now they've released their aircraft colours, they've also released their aircraft colours. And these are acrylic. The acrylic colours from AK are in it with, they have a black lid. The enamel colours will come in a clear lid. We have got some more German aircraft. Naval colours. Goes on to the Spanish 109s. More Spanish aircraft. There's a lot of black and white photos in this one than there is in the armour one. There's a lot more colour photos in this one than there is the other book. More of the Spanish aircraft and their nose markings and stuff. .109. More 109s. Cockpit. And so, like I said before, this plane here, there's its original colours they've done for you. BF 1110, I believe that is now. These are more aircraft colours. New needs new colours, so they obviously change their colours and they change the variant slightly. More photos. 109. 262. Stop it thickening. Heinkel colours. So this plane here, there's its original colour. This plane here is this one here. Oh, yeah, is it this one here? Oh no, sorry, it's not. No, my mistake. Or it could be that one. That one. I'm not sure. Oh, folded in half there, damn. There's a BF110, sorry, BF110 G4 in light grey colours, 1944, with the radar signature stuff on it. Original colours, that's cool. And then we go into the tropical colours, desert campaign, Africa, etc. So RML 78, RML 79, RML 80. So RML 79 is this greyish colour, blue colour. The actual sand, the yellow, is this RML 79, and then these spots are RML 80. I do have this aircraft to build. I do have a video on that if you wish to go and take a look at that. It's unboxing of the kit. I haven't actually built it yet, it's just an unboxing. This plane here is its colours. This plane here is this one here. Its colours. Junker JU88. Junker JU 87, sorry. This one here, it's like a greyish colour, winter. I'm going to Wolf 109A. Number 3, this one up here is this plane here. What we got here? More German aircraft, some more colours, browns and greens. That's a pretty cool colour. ME262, late war variant, which is like a light yellowy green brown colour. I don't know what you want to call that. Some original airframe. Original photos, more black and white photos. This plane here is this one here. Some early jets. This one here is this one here. Now it goes into like concept planes, late war planes. It goes into RML 83, which is this blue colour. Cockpit colour, Germans used RML RML2 for their cockpit, which is grey. Original colour cards. More colour cards. Colour cards. Colour cards and their splinter pattern. How to do it. Splinter patterns. Splinter camo. Splinter camo. This has got splinter camo with a black underside for night operations. Green splinter camo, early war. This is, well, actually no, it's not early war. This is June 2nd, 1943 camouflage. Splinter camo green, RML 70 and RML 71. Spotted camo, it's got 3 colours there. RML 70, 71, 65 and RML 2. So RML 2 and RML 65 is the underside, and RML 62 and RML 71 is the splinter camo, and then the RML 70 is across the top and causes these black dots, spots, or whatever you want to call them. More splinter camouflage is RML 81, 82 and 75. Splinter camouflage, RML 65, 70 and 71. Splinter camouflage, RML 80, 81, 82, 70, RML 65, splinter camouflage, 262, markings, 1 second scale. Goes on to the American now, aircraft colours. There's a lot of colour photos in the American side because there's a lot of aircraft that survived, so there's more reference to go by colour. Mitchell bomber. B-17s. Mustangs. Mustang. DC-3 or DC-4. Mustang. P-47 is green camouflage colour. Sea green 28 tropical camouflage paint. Medium green number 42. So this aircraft is its original colour. Is that Memphis Belle? Not sure. Some more bombers. B-24D Liberator. Some more photos. C-47s, bombers. Some sand colours, desert colours, American colours are used. Some of the pilots. Desert P-40. Colour cards from the Americans. Their camouflage worksheets. Some of their desert colour worksheets, information. Later war aircraft now, which is black, jet black colour. Naval colours. P-40s, Mustangs, P-47, more Mustangs. Also here they did an experimental as well. You know, on ships they have that weird splinter camouflage and it's all misshapes. They use that to break up the ship, so it's hard to do just its distance. They tried to test it on aircraft to see if it would work, and unfortunately it didn't work as well as they thought it would. So they come up with some weird pattern on a Liberator to see if it would work. Nose art and stuff. Naval aircraft now. So they use a hell of a lot of greys and blues and greens. So this aircraft here, the 8th ball there. It's used a light blue colour, I think is, I believe, they don't show you. I believe it's a light grey though, one of these, or it could be this, I'm not sure. More aircraft, naval colours. Internal blue, which is this colour here. Light greys, yeah, this is light grey I was looking for, that the aircraft was in. More naval colours, and then it comes to the red, which is the red on the red nose and the red on the tail, which is on the B-17 Fortress. I'm building currently in the process of doing a B-17, and that's the red they use on the back, which is one of these. It's not, the red's not bright, it's quite dark red. Interior colours on some of the aircraft. Some have had like this weird yellow interior. Strange. Interior colours. Again. Then it goes on to the British. Then it goes on to early war colours, dark green and dark earth, and then light earth and light green. Night colours, which is night colour, which is like a dark grey and black. Camouflage worksheets, early aircraft. 1940. These are Defenders, I believe those aircraft are called. I've got one or two of those to build as well. Yeah, Defender. Goes on to some bombers, some Hurricanes. This aircraft here is here. Sky colour, like I've seen before, which is this one here. See, it's quite close, but once you've done your weathering, it's going to change. So bear in mind, this is the base colour. And I noticed with these AK aircraft colours, on the side of the bottle, it's going to have little flags, and it shows you what the colours country belongs to, what country used that colour. So we used it, and sorry, I've forgotten what country that is. I have to think of it. Wait till it comes back to me. I can't think of who that is. The one with the star. Damn it. Naval colours. Extra dark sea grey, dark down grey, dark sea grey again, light stand grey, light sky blue, which is like an off-white colour, which has got a hint of grey in it, which is this colour underneath. This aircraft, similar to the one up top here. But that aircraft used the same camouflage pattern and the same colours, but it's not the same markings, but they use the same colours. Seaplanes. Naval aircraft. Corsair, there's British Corsairs. We used American Corsairs there. Aircraft carrier base Spitfires. Aircraft carrier base Hurricanes. Sea boats. Sky grey colour. So this whole aircraft was done in this colour. Hurricanes and day fighter colours. So ocean grey and medium sea grey, which is these two colours here. Spitfires, tropical colours. One of the yellow medium sand colour. Goes on to the desert colours now. Can't pronounce that word, but that blue colour is the underside of this Spitfire, and etc. Medium blue colours, Mediterranean blue colours, which are these. PRU blue, which is this one here. P&I pink Spitfire. I have a pink Spitfire. I have this aircraft, not Spitfire X. This one here, I have a model of this to build. Dark sea grey and P&I mauve, purple. Interior RAF interior colour, which is, I'm glad that AK have managed to make an interior colour, because there's no one that makes a RAF interior colour, no one. So I'll be picking up a couple of bottles of that, because I've been having to mix my RAF colour. And it's pain having to mix it. Now someone's made the actual original colour. It's so much better now. British red, browns and blues. I believe that's to do with these circles. The underside of the prototype, which is yellow underneath, and obviously the yellow band. Because on our kits we use decals, but back then it was painted on. Russian aircraft now, Russian colours. No more information on Russian planes. There's a lot of black and white photos again on this one, because there isn't many Russian planes left. Splinter camouflage worksheets, colour cards, more information. What colours are for what type of section of the year. So I don't know, orange come in 1940, light green coming at June 1940, and so on. Some splinter camouflage. A white one, whitewash effect. Splinter camouflage original worksheets, and more camouflage worksheets. Russian ground attack aircraft, number 17, which is here, this one here, which original colours. Another worksheet, more worksheets. Russian colours, and when they come in production, when they use them. So camouflage white was 1941 to 1943, I don't know, say this blue, light blue colour was 1941, since 1941, so they use that today still, basically, that's what that means. So 1941 to this present day, they still use that colour, Russians do. Same as that dark blue, grey, they still use that today, and so on. Yeah, so these colours here, they still use these today. The interior paneling. This is colour cards and information. What we got here? Paint finish from aircraft 1935, 1945. So basically that's all the colours they used, and that's pretty much it, guys. What we got here? Oh, so that's the second book from AK Interactive, Real Colours of World War II. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll catch you later.